GT Tools in Durango, Colorado. Today I'm here to talk about our wire and core cutout tools, specifically the FinalCut. The FinalCut is this guy right here. As you can see, it's got a really small profile. It's made out of a solid block of 6061 billet aluminum. It houses hardened stainless steel components, so the spool and the pulley design are going to wear really well on this tool. The tool is, the foundation of this tool is on a 6-inch curved cut. So this tool is a great product for windshields, quarter glass, or back glass. It features a locking backdrive system. So all the progress you make when you're cutting isn't lost because of that locking backdrive. It also features a dual drive system. So you can either run this tool with a ratchet, or you can run this tool with a low RPM, high torque drill. Product is great, works with cord or wire. You can order this tool through gtglass.com or through a local authorized distributor.